Welcome to Let's Know. Today we will see top 10 least populated states in India. I have already done a video about top 10 most populated states in India. If you have not watched that video, please watch that video first and then watch this video. So let's begin the list. At number 10 is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is located in North India. Its capital is Dehradun. Most of Uttarakhand is covered by mountains. The language spoken here is Hindi. The population of Uttarakhand is 1 crore. At number 9 is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is also located in North India. Much of Himachal Pradesh is also by its capital is Shimla. The language spoken in Himachal Pradesh is Hindi. Himachal Pradesh has a population of 68 lakhs. At number 8 is Tripura. Tripura is located in northeast India. Its capital is Agartala. The languages spoken in Tripura are Bengali and Tripuri. The population of Tripura is 36 lakhs. At number 7 is Meghalaya. Meghalaya is located in northeast India. Its capital is Shillong. The languages spoken here are Garo and Khasi. Meghalaya has a population of 29 lakhs. At number 6 is Manipur. Manipur is located in northeast India. Its capital is Imphal. The language spoken in Manipur is Manipuri. The population of Manipur is 25 lakhs. At number 5 is Nagaland. Nagaland is located in northeast India. Its capital is Kohima. Nagaland is very diverse and there are many languages spoken in Nagaland. Not a single language has more than 2 lakh speakers. Some major languages in Nagaland are Ao, Angami, Konyak and Sumi. The population of Nagaland is 19 lakhs. At number 4 is Goa. Goa is located in western India. Its capital is Panaji. The language spoken in Goa is Konkani. Goa is a coastal state and it has a population of 14 lakhs. And is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is located in northeast India. Its capital is Itanagar. Arunachal Pradesh is also a very diverse state. The only languages that are spoken by more than 10% of people are Nishi and Adi. The population of at number 2 is Mizoram. Mizoram is located in northeast India. Its capital is Aizawl. The language spoken in Mizoram is Mizo. Fun fact, Mizo is one of the only languages in India that is written with English alphabet. The population of man, the least populated state in India is Sikkim. Sikkim is located in northeast India. Its capital is Gangtok. The language spoken in Sikkim is Nepali. Sikkim is the only state in India that used to be its own independent country. It was merged in India in You must be wondering why most of states in northeast India have so less population. The answer is most of northeast India is covered by forest and mountain. So less people live in those regions. To know more about the forests in India, you can check out my video about top 10 most forested states in India. The link of the video is in the description. These 10 states have less population than cities such as also more tourists come to these states than their own population. If you like my content then please subscribe to this channel. Also press the like button and share this video with your friends and family.